calendar turns to 2024, the Honda PCX scooter continues to evolve, offering riders a blend of style, performance, and practicality. The latest iteration, the 2024 Honda PCX175, is set to carve its niche in the urban landscape, building on the success of its predecessors with a fresh design and enhanced features. The Honda PCX has long been celebrated for its fun riding experience, stylish aesthetics, and economical operation. Its popularity is underpinned by its ease of use, decent proportions, advanced LCD, ample storage, and affordability. The 2021 model onwards has been a top seller, and the 2024 version is expected to follow suit. Performance-wise, the PCX175 is good. While the top speed on the speedometer reads an impressive 118 km/h, 73 mph. Race logic measurements indicate a real-world top speed of 111.2 km/h, 69.1 mph. This makes the PCX not just a city dweller, but also capable of confidently handling open roads. Safety is paramount in the design of the PCX175. The 2023 model introduced the Honda Selectable Torque Control System, which enhances rider safety in low-traction situations by preventing wheel slip. This feature is expected to continue in the 2024 model, ensuring that riders can navigate various road conditions with an added layer of security. The PCX175's design is not just about looks, it's also about functionality. The large LED headlight and taillight are eye-catching and improve visibility. The seat is designed for comfort and control, catering to the rider and passenger. Storage solutions are thoughtfully integrated, with a 30-liter under-seat compartment that can accommodate a full-face helmet and a front compartment with a USB-C socket for charging devices. Under the hood, the PCX175 boasts a 157cc engine with a fully automatic transmission system. While there are no mechanical updates for 2023, the engine's performance and reliability remain hallmarks of the PCX series. The scooter's fuel efficiency and smooth acceleration are complemented by a modern chassis that ensures a comfortable ride and responsive handling. The 2024 Honda PCX 175 is more than just a scooter. It's a statement of mobility and freedom in the city. With its combination of performance, safety, and style, it stands ready to meet the demands of the modern rider and maintain its position as a beloved choice in the competitive scooter market.